Have you ever wondered what would happen if you, out of the blue, found yourself swallowed by a whale? Imagine plunging into the mysterious depths of the ocean, the thrill of discovery coursing through your veins when suddenly the world goes dark. Panic seizes you as you realize you're no longer a spectator, but an unwilling guest in the belly of a massive sea creature. The enormity of the situation is overwhelming. There you are in the belly of a massive sea creature, but what happens next? You might imagine a whale's stomach to be a vast dark expanse, but is it so? Well, let's dive right in. The insides of a whale are not exactly the spacious, echoey caverns you might be picturing. Instead, think of a complex, multi-chambered maze, a labyrinth of muscular tissue and digestive juices. Now, let's talk survival. It's easy to think of this as an aquatic version of being marooned on a deserted island. But here's the harsh reality. Survival inside a whale's stomach would be nearly impossible. Firstly, the lack of oxygen would be a major problem. Whales, like us, need oxygen to survive. They get it from the air they breathe, not the water they swim in. So if you were swallowed by a whale, you'd quickly run out of breathable air. Then there's the pressure. Deep inside a whale, the pressure is immensely higher than at the surface. This intense pressure could cause serious harm to the human body. Lastly, let's not forget the corrosive stomach acids. These are designed to break down a whale's food, and unfortunately, you'd be on the menu. The acids would start to dissolve your skin, causing severe burns and potentially fatal injuries. Many myths suggest that living inside a whale is possible, even comfortable, but the reality is far more grim. So, as intriguing as it may sound, living inside a whale is far from being a pleasant experience. But what if, against all odds, you manage to survive and escape? Picture this. You're trapped in the belly of a leviathan, the colossal whale. In this unlikely scenario, your only way out might be through the whale's blowhole or mouth, propelled by a forceful exhalation. Imagine being jettisoned out like a cannonball, soaring through the air before splashing back into the ocean's embrace. A thrilling thought, isn't it? It's like out of an adventure novel, the hero making a daring escape against insurmountable odds. Yet we must remember this is all highly hypothetical. The physiology of whales doesn't actually allow for such a dramatic exit. The reality is much harsher. Being swallowed by a whale is, in essence, a one-way ticket. The chances of survival within these gigantic creatures are next to none. While it's a fascinating thought, the reality is being swallowed by a whale is a one-way ticket, with survival chances being next to none.